In this video, we're going to discuss frequency tables. The table below is a frequency table. It shows how different things are related. Let's say this table represents males and females in a cafeteria, and there is a survey taken of the people's favorite flavors of ice cream, chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry. You might be asked to read the table and find what percentage of males like chocolate ice cream, what percentage of the people who like vanilla ice cream are females. Let's do some questions like this. Let's say we want to know what percent of males like chocolate. We want to know what percent of all the males that there were like chocolate. We have to make this into a fraction. In the denominator, we're going to have the total number of males. The total number of males, you go to males, then you scroll over to the column where it says total, and we see that the total is 55. So there are a total of 55 males. And then we want to know how many of those males like chocolate. So we're going to go to the males row. We're going to scroll over to chocolate. There are 23 males who like chocolate. So 23 out of the 55 males like chocolate. Then we're going to make this into a percent. 23 divided by 55 is let's round it off, 0.42. And to convert this decimal into a percent, we just move the decimal place 2 places to the right. And this is 42%. 42% of all the males surveyed like chocolate the best. Let's do what percent of people who liked vanilla were female. So now in the denominator, we're going to have the total number of people who liked vanilla. And in the numerator, we're going to have the number of people, of those people who liked vanilla, what number of those people were female. So in the denominator, we have the total number of people who like vanilla. So we're going to go to the total row, and then we're going to scroll over to vanilla. There were a total of 40 people who liked vanilla. And of the people who liked vanilla, how many were female? So we're going to go to the vanilla column, and we're going to scroll over to female. There were 18 people. Of the people who liked vanilla, 18 of them were female. Then we're going to do on the calculator 18 divided by 40, 0.45. We're going to convert that to a percent. We're going to move the decimal place 2 places to the right, so this becomes 45%. 45% of the people who liked vanilla were female. Another question you might be asked is, use this information to predict something else. So let's say we know that there were 55 males surveyed. And we want to know, of the 300 males in the school, what percent of them will like strawberry best? So we're going to use the information from the table to predict for a larger amount of people. So we're going to set up a proportion. And we're going to say, if out of the 55 males that were surveyed, 10 of them liked strawberry best, X males out of 300 males will like strawberry best. And then we're going to solve this proportion by cross multiplying. So we're going to do 10 times 300 is equal to 55 times x. 10 times 300 is 3,000 is equal to 55x divided by 55 divided by 55. X is equal to 3,000 divided by 55. That is 50, let's round it off, 55. So if 10 males liked strawberry best, 10 males out of the 55 males that were surveyed liked strawberry best, then 55 males out of the 300 males in the school will like strawberry best. Let's do one more example like this. Let's say there are 412 females in the school. How many like chocolate best? So we're going to set up a proportion. How many females were surveyed? There were a total of 55 females surveyed. And how many of those females like chocolate? There were 55 females, and the females like chocolate were 12. So if 12 females out of 55 females like chocolate, then how many females, X females, out of 412 females will like chocolate the best? And we're going to cross multiply. 12 times 412 is equal to 55x. 12 times 412 is 4944 is equal to 55x. We're going to divide by 55 and divide by 55. X is equal to 4944 divided by 55. Let's round it off to 90. So if there are 412 females in the school using this information, 90 of those females will like chocolate best.